For several decades, our planet has been facing unprecedented challenges because of climate change, such as rising global temperatures, extreme weather conditions, melting ice caps and glaciers, warming oceans, droughts, typhoons, and disruptions of ecosystem.
Who did it? Well, basically, it's not entirely our fault, but we contribute to worsening because of our activities, also because of the big companies. Why is it happening? It's because of the industries, deforestation, livestock farming, waste, energy consumption, and burning of fossil fuels. All these contributes to greenhouse gas emission.
So for the solution, now we need to limit climate change, and we can make a difference by first leaning to renewable energy, second, sustainable transportation, third, proper waste management, and reduce, reuse, repair, and recycle.
We believe that every small action can create a ripple effect. Whether it be planting trees in your local community, reducing your carbon footprint, or advocating for sustainable policies. Together, we can restore and heal our Earth. Fret not and be a part
of the hashtag Generation Restoration.